Today we will discuss some basics of Python. For single line comment in Python, we begin with hash symbol. We'll begin with hash symbol. This is a single line comment. For multi-line comment, you will write triple inverted comma. So this is multi-line comment. Extension of Python file is .py. For if statement, to end if statement, we use colon. Suppose if x greater than y, you have to use colon. You can see it will come with proper indentation. What abandons the current iteration of the loop? To abandon a loop, you should use break statement. To concat means join. To remove all trailing white spaces from left side, we use L-strip. From right side, we will use R-strip. The sequential accessing of each element in a list is known as list traversal. Which function is used to remove all items from a particular dictionary? It is the clear function. There are many more functions also, but for removing all items from a particular dictionary, the function used is clear. Which function is used to return number of elements in the tuple? Length is the function. At present I am dealing with some limited functions, but there are many more functions which are used with dictionary and many more functions which are used with tuple. Clear function is used to remove all items, and len function is used to return number of elements in a tuple. This is the function. Sometimes error finding questions are also there. So how to attempt these questions? This is your question, and then answer will be this. You see, this your definition is correct. Then it should be started with some indentation. So, and say for print, it should use some indentation, and then you are calling a function from the starting of the line. And you have to underline whatever error you have debug or you have corrected. So I can show you this program. Paste it here. Now it will give error if you will run it like this. If you want to error, you have to call the function create. Here you see you have passed two parameters, one for text and one for frequency. So you have to give two values. We will save it. Now run it. Indentation error, remove this error. Parenthesis error. So you get the final result. But our question is not of output. We have to write corrected form of the code in error finding. Same in this question. You have to use this. This is your question. So proper indentation should be there. You will call this cost function. You will save it and run it. Invalid syntax. This is your output. So, yes, you have to just underline what you have corrected. I have corrected this line, I will underline this. So similarly, this is also suppose a question for error finding. I will paste it. Now again function has been defined. This function has been called. This now value should be inside function. Bracket should be here. So this is your corrected form. You have to underline whatever correction you have done. Like this. Now one more question for error finding. And this should be like this. And here you have to pass the values for value 1, value 2, value 3. So you can give any value 2, 3, 4. Save it and run it. You can see here it's capital V, here it is small. So this is your corrected form. You can see, you have to just underline whatever correction you have done. Now, this is also an error question. Indentation, then the follow the message. It should be like this. Go to print. Because you have used print command, here the function is returning. So you have used print command. This is returning good morning and you have to print this. So we are using print command. So this will underline the correction. Now there are some output questions. A is 110 and loop will run till A value is greater than 100. So first time loop will go, value will be 100 and then minus 2 and minus 2 till the value becomes less than 100. So this is the output. Suppose I change the value here. I give here suppose 5. So this one. Now in this question, you have to use arrange function. You have given gap of 2. So it is coming like that. Suppose I give you 5. That will be 5. So it's like this. Now next question. Suppose I have given this. This is printed alphabetic wise. You can give any value or any string. You become like this. This is the question. Suppose I say I is equal to 5 print I is equal to 5, I less than 5. I simply 0, print I. You see, this is infinite loop, this is not ending because condition will never become false. I will see here I is equal to I plus 2. So you can say 5, 7. Suppose I see here I is 1 and then I run this. You can say multiply like this. So this is my question. I will run this. This is the output. You can see here x is 1, 4. First time x value will be 1 and y value will come in this is outer loop, this is inner loop. X value 1 will come into y loop, x is 1 till y will come to 2. X is 1, y is 2. 1 into 2. 2 is greater than 10. False. Condition is false, it will be x into y. That means 2 into 1 will be 3. Like this 3 into 1 will be 3. And then 4 into 1 will be 4. And in 5 loop will be out. For this loop will not work. Now for the next I value is 2. Now 2 into 2 will be 4, 2 into 3 will be 6, 2 into 4 will be 8. Like this it will continue. Then x value will be 3, 3 into 2 will be 6, 3 into 3 will be 9, 3 into 4 will be 12 and the condition will become false, it will break. So it is not going to reach 12. Similarly, hello, you can write any word that will come in single line. Suppose this is a